Good evening, everybody, and welcome to a Thursday for the second night in a row as we look out over the live shot. You see a little bit of light snow, some haze out there. The light snow is going to taper off to some flurries here over the next couple of hours. We're just about done with it here in Grand Rapids. It'll linger a little bit longer if you're south and east of Grand Rapids, but it will eventually taper off. And I think by tomorrow morning, we may even have a few breaks in the cloud cover inland locations. But I think tomorrow is going to be a mainly cloudy day. Quiet the next couple of days. Accumulating snow comes in here on Sunday. I'll show you that in the forecast model here. And temperatures are going to be around average. What's average? 32 is the average high for this time of the year. So here's Grand Rapids. If you were to draw a line just south and east of Big Rapids to just south and east of Grand Rapids, all the way to just west of Kalamazoo, this is all the light snow shower activity that's going on. That's going to continue to lift off to the north and east and pull out of here, and it will taper off to flurries. Our current temperatures really haven't moved much at all for the last several hours. We're sitting at about 25 degrees, and I think we may drop down a few degrees here. Areas up here that may clear, we may start to poke some holes in the cloud cover. Those areas would tank into the probably teens if they clear. I think a lot of us stay mostly cloudy, but there could be some breaks in the cloud cover up here as we head through the overnight hours. 6 hours ago, we had some snow falling across the entire area. As this low pressure system pulls into Pennsylvania and New York, this is kind of rotating on through, so it's going to eventually pull that out of here. And you can see we've got some breaks in the cloud cover out there. I still think most of us will stay mainly cloudy overnight and probably through most of tomorrow and then even into Saturday as well. That's how the forecast reads for tomorrow. Mostly cloudy, maybe some flakes or flurries or light snow showers that really won't amount to much. Temperatures around 31 degrees. Just remember, all that junk that's on the roadways now, that snow, how light that it is, how light, fluffy area, it's low moisture content. So when it gets compressed down to the pavement, it basically turns into ice. What I'm saying that for is watch out, because any untreated roadways tomorrow, like the ones in your subdivision, your driveway, any of that stuff is going to be very slippery in the secondary roadway. So watch out for that tomorrow morning. But we're really not going to add much to the totals here, except south and east of Grand Rapids. They might get another 1/10 or 2/10 of an inch, and that'll be it. There's the low pressure system that's generated all that snow last night and throughout the day today. This is at 6 a.m. tomorrow. You can see it's going to pull away farther. Then there's a very defined lake effect band that once we start turning winds to the north and west, it will start to migrate inland. So we'll see some light lake effect snow showers, flakes, or flurries, probably mainly south and west of Grand Rapids, but that's not expected to amount to really anything as well. That continues Friday night into Saturday and even through the day on Saturday. Lots of cloud cover, maybe a flake or flurry, and that'll be about it. Saturday night into Sunday, there's not much going on, except already here's the next fast-moving clipper system coming in. It's another low-pressure area. This is Sunday at 6 a.m. Right now, the timing has it so that the Sunday church services, you should be fine if you're going to those. But by late morning into the afternoon, look at this swath of snow that overspreads the area. And by the time this low comes up over our state, it may wrap in enough warm air to change some of this to some rain, or at least mix it in at times, especially from Grand Rapids southward. Let's pick up and see how much snow we're talking about. From 6 a.m. on Sunday to 6 a.m. on Monday, probably about 1 to 2, maybe 2 to 3 inches of snow with maybe some rain mixing in at times. So it's not a big system, but that's the next best chance of some appreciable snow coming into West Michigan. 31 tomorrow, 31 on Saturday, 34 on Sunday. Breezy, that snow overspreads the area. Some rain may mix in with that. And then we're in the low to mid 30s for the rest of the time frame. No big systems on the horizon. Not a whole lot happening, but that's what's going on over the next several days here, guys.